Ever wondered who's battling it out with Neon Bank in the world of digital banking? You're not alone. The digital banking landscape is exploding, and Neon is just one player in this exciting, ever-evolving space. Today, we're diving deep into the competitive landscape, exploring the key players vying for your attention and understanding what sets them apart. Let's start by understanding what makes Neon Bank unique. Neon is known for its sleek interface, personalized financial management tools, and a strong focus on the millennial and Gen Z demographics. They've carved a niche by offering a seamless digital experience, integrating social media elements, and prioritizing financial wellness. Now, the big question: who are the players challenging Neon's dominance? Revolut, a global fintech giant. Revolut offers a wide range of services beyond traditional banking, including stock trading, cryptocurrency exchange, and travel insurance. They boast a massive global user base and a strong focus on international payments. N26, a German digital bank known for its minimalist design and user-friendly app. N26 focuses on providing a seamless and intuitive banking experience, with a strong emphasis on international spending and travel. Monzo, a UK-based challenger bank renowned for its innovative features like real-time spending notifications and instant pot transfers. Monzo is known for its community-driven approach and its commitment to customer feedback. Chime, a US-based neobank that has gained significant traction with its focus on fee-free banking, early direct deposit access, and a strong emphasis on financial inclusion. Chime has built a loyal following by prioritizing customer needs and offering a user-friendly experience. But it's not just about the big names. The digital banking space is incredibly dynamic, with new players emerging constantly. We're seeing the rise of niche players, such as banks specializing in specific demographics, like students or freelancers, or those focusing on specific financial goals, like saving for a down payment or investing in cryptocurrency. So, how does Neon differentiate itself in this crowded market? Hyperpersonalization. Neon goes beyond basic banking by leveraging AI and machine learning to provide personalized financial insights and recommendations. Focus on financial wellness. Neon emphasizes financial education and provides tools to help users track their spending, set budgets, and achieve their financial goals. Community building. Neon actively fosters a community among its users, encouraging interaction and knowledge sharing. The competitive landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging, consumer expectations are shifting, and regulations are changing. To stay ahead, Neon and its competitors must continuously innovate, adapt, and provide exceptional customer experiences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.